Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the terminal block insulator on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the insulation is damaged or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4" nut driver, a screwdriver with an S1 bit, and a 3/8" socket and ratchet. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. So right here is the panel for our electrical stuff. So we're going to use a 1/4" nut driver and take the screw off. And that panel will lift straight out. Now I'm going to want to remove these wires. So in order to do that, I want to use a ratchet. The ratchet's got a 3/8" socket on it, and I want to loosen up all these nuts. And once they're loose enough, should be able to get them off by hand. Now that all those nuts are off, we'll remove all the wires here. And we can just move those down so they're out of our way. And now I'm going to have to take the nuts behind those ones off to disconnect the wires that are up top there. And the other thing that you can do is just take a picture so that you can see where all the wires go when you put it back together. And now with those nuts off, we'll just get those wires out of our way. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this grounding screw here. And I've got an S1 bit in there, and that'll fit in that square hole. And now that that screw's out, take off that bracket. And now we have to take these screws out here, and we'll be using our Phillips head screwdriver for that. And now we can pull this old insulation out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement terminal block insulation, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. Now we're just going to put our insulation back in place first, and these two round pieces that stick out of the terminal block, we're just going to line up with our insulation there, and then move it up and line it up with the holes up here. And now we can screw it back into place. So now we'll screw the copper bracket into place. So let's put that back on the middle there. And put in our grounding screw. So now we're gonna put our wires back into place here. This is why you want to make sure that you have a reference picture, because if you don't remember where they were, you're kind of going to be a little out of luck there putting this back. But we took a picture, and now we're going to put everything back how it was. Now we can put our nuts on. And once you can't tighten them by hand anymore, just grab your ratchet and finish it with that. Now we'll put our wires from our power cord back up in their places. And again, just tighten them up the rest of the way after you've hand tightened them until you can't do it anymore. And now we'll put our panel back in place. So you'll see the two tabs on the bottom, and those are just going to go on the inside while the rest of the panel goes on the outside, and then screw it back into place. And now we can turn our oven back around, plug it in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.